My name is Shadow and I'm going to show you the first simple rule of Figueiredos Montante.
You will give a talho from behind, from low to high, moving the right foot forward at the same time and stopping with the montante in an upright posture in front of the face. From there you will remove the montante to give a revez cutting from behind with the other edge of the montante, also from low to high, and at the same time moving the left foot forward and stopping also with the montante in front of the face. You will undo the rule removing backward the left foot with a talho equal to the first and the right foot with a revez, and take heed that the body must always turn toward where the montante cuts. At the end of the rule, while standing still, you will give a talho to the left shoulder and return the montante to again place the point on the ground as the beginning, and all the rules having to do with the montante negro will have this ending.
Using the row worth chart, you start with a long edge cut number 3, then a short edge cut number 4, always with a step forward. Then, by stepping back, we'll do a long edge cut number 3 again and end the rule with a short edge cut number 4. To make it easier, just imagine to draw a sideways 8 or an infinity symbol.
Thank you for watching. See you next time.